Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, open your browser and go to Google Scholar. If you have institutional access, sign in now so paywalled content can be revealed. Type focused keywords, author names, or the exact article title into the search bar. Shorter queries often return more relevant results. Use quotes for exact phrases and add author, last name to narrow results. Once you see results, glance at the right-hand links for PDFs or library access icons before moving to the next step. Now refine the list. Apply year range and switch sorting to date or relevance depending on your need. Scan each entry's right side for direct PDF links, repository icons, or a library access button. These often bypass paywalls. Click the article title to read the abstract and metadata. This shows the journal and access options. If no full text appears, open all versions and cited by to find preprints or copies on institutional repositories. Make sure to try different keyword variants if results are sparse. To get the full text, click available PDF links or use your institution's sign-in. Many universities provide seamless access. If you still can't open it, check the author's personal page or ResearchGate for author-posted copies. As a fallback, use browser extensions that detect open access versions or request the article via interlibrary loan. If everything fails, email the author politely asking for a copy. Most will share one. Troubleshooting tip: clear cache and disable stricted blockers if links fail to load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.